Welcome back, dear students. Today our topic is the President of India. The President of India means Bharat ke Rashtrapati is the ceremonial head of the state of India and the commander-in-chief of the Indian Armed Forces. The President is bound by the Constitution to act on the advice of the Prime Minister and Cabinet as long as the advice is not violating the Constitution. Okay, are you ready to discuss about our presidents of India? Yes, let's start. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became president in 1950. He was the first and longest serving president of India. In 1962, our second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, became the president of India. He was elected from South India and he was the first vice president of India. He was a great teacher. In his memory, we celebrate every year the Teachers' Day on 5th September. From 1967 to 1969, Zakir Hussain was the President of India. He was the first president to die in office. He was also first Muslim and least serving president of India. From 1969 to 1974, B.V. Giri was the president of India. He was the first acting president and he was known as Rubber Stamp President of India. In 1969, for 35 days, Muhammad Hidayatullah was the acting president of India. He was the first Chief Justice of India to becoming an acting president of India. From 1974 to 1977, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was the second president to die in the office and he was the president at the time of emergency. Basappa Danappa Jetty in 1977 for 164 days became a president of India. Before becoming a president of India, B.D. Jetty was served as chief minister of Mysore state in Karnataka. From 1977 to 1982, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was the President of India. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy was the first CM of Andhra Pradesh. He was the youngest President of India. From 1982 to 1987, Gyani Zail Singh was the President of India. When Indira Gandhi was assassinated, he was the first Sikh President of India. From 1987 to 1992, Ramaswamy Venkatraman was the President of India. He was a famous lawyer and activist of Indian independence movement. From 1992 to 1997, there was the President Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh before elected a President of India. He also served as Governor of Andhra Pradesh. From 1997 to 2002, there was the President K.R. Narayanan. He was the first Dalit President of India. K.R. Narayanan was the famous Indian diplomat and served as Ambassador of Turkey, Japan, UK, China and USA. He was the famous leader in India. APJ Abdul Kalam from 2002 to 2007 was the President of India. He was a great scientist and worked for famous missiles like Agni, ballistic and for nuclear weapons. He was called as People President and also Missile Man of India. Pratibha Patil was the President from 2007 to 2012. Pratibha Patil was created history to become the first President of India. She was also become a first president to travel in fighter jet Sukhoi. She is also the first woman governor of the Rajasthan. Pranab Mukherjee from 2012 to 2017 was the President of India. Before becoming a President of India, Pranab Mukherjee served as the Finance Minister, Defense Minister and External Ministers. Ramnath Kovind is the present President of India. From July 2017, he is the 14th President of India. He served as the Governor of Bihar from 2015 to 2017. He is the second Dalit President after K.R. Narayanan. Who is our current President? Ramnath Kovind.